welcome back to Tech with Travis, where we explore AI and cloud technology. I apologize if you hear any audio issues as we are still refining this process. Today we are discussing 2025 predictions. AI agents are set to revolutionize the workplace in 2025. But here's the kicker. They might actually create more jobs than they replace. Today we're diving into this digital workforce revolution and what it means for all of us.
Oh, that's an interesting take. I've been hearing a lot about AI taking over jobs, but you're saying it might be the opposite?
Well, it's not quite that simple. See, AI agents are definitely going to change the job market, but it's more about transformation than replacement. According to a reputable news source, a quarter of companies already using generative AI will deploy AI agents next year, and that number could double by 2027. It's a massive shift in how businesses operate.
That's a pretty significant adoption rate. What kinds of tasks are these AI agents capable of handling?
The range is quite impressive. They can tackle everything from customer service inquiries to supply chain management and even write HR reports. Imagine having an AI that can analyze market trends, generate reports, and even make preliminary business decisions, all while you're sleeping.
Hold on a second. Are we talking about AI making business decisions? That sounds like it could be a bit risky.
You're right to be cautious. While these AI agents are incredibly advanced, they're not meant to replace human decision-making entirely. Instead, they're designed to augment human capabilities. They can process vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and suggest courses of action, but the final decisions still rest with human managers.
That's a relief. But I have to wonder, what's driving this sudden boom in AI agents? Why is 2025 shaping up to be their breakout year?
Well, there are several factors at play here. First, we've seen significant advancements in AI technology. These agents now have improved memory, reasoning capabilities, and can handle multiple types of data: text, images, audio, you name it. They're more versatile and powerful than ever before. Plus, economic pressure is a big driver. Companies are always looking for ways to cut costs and improve efficiency. AI agents can handle certain tasks more quickly and accurately than humans, potentially saving businesses millions of dollars.
So if we had only known the technology would advance this quickly, do you think companies would have invested in AI sooner?
That's an interesting question. I think many companies have been investing in AI for years. But the technology has finally reached a tipping point where it's practical for widespread adoption. It's not just about the technology itself, though. The market is finally mature enough for full-scale deployments. We're moving beyond pilot projects to integrating AI agents into core business processes.
I see. But what about the impact on jobs? Are we looking at massive layoffs as these AI agents take over?
That's a concern many people share, but the reality is a bit more nuanced. While AI agents will certainly change the job market, it's not so much about replacement as it is transformation. These systems are great at handling repetitive tasks, but they still need humans for creativity, strategy, and emotional intelligence. In fact, we're likely to see the rise of new roles like AI orchestrators, people who manage and coordinate these digital coworkers.
That's fascinating. So we might be looking at a future where our coworkers are a mix of humans and AI agents. How do you think that will change workplace dynamics?
It's going to be a significant shift, that's for sure. We'll likely see more flexible work arrangements as AI agents take over some of the more routine tasks. This could free up humans to focus on higher-level thinking and creative problem-solving. We might also see changes in how we measure productivity and success in the workplace. The ability to effectively work with and manage AI systems could become a highly prized skill in itself.
That makes sense. But surely there must be some challenges or downsides to all this AI integration.
Oh, absolutely. There are several challenges we'll need to address. For one, these systems can be expensive to run, especially when they're constantly tapping into large language models like GPT-4. There's also the risk of errors or unintended consequences. AI isn't infallible, and a mistake made by an AI agent could potentially have far-reaching effects. Plus, we'll need to develop robust governance frameworks to ensure these AI agents operate ethically and securely.
Those are some serious considerations. How do you think different industries will adapt to this AI agent revolution?
Well, we're likely to see AI agents integrated into nearly every industry: healthcare, finance, retail, you name it. In healthcare, for example, AI agents could help with patient triage, appointment scheduling, and even preliminary diagnoses. In finance, they could handle risk assessments, fraud detection, and portfolio management. Industries that deal with large amounts of data and repetitive tasks are likely to be early adopters.
That's pretty mind-boggling. Do you think the average person will notice these changes, or will most of it happen behind the scenes?
I think we'll see a mix of both. Some changes will be obvious, like interacting with more sophisticated chatbots or virtual assistants, but a lot of the impact will be behind the scenes, improving the services we use without us even realizing it. For example, AI agents might optimize supply chains, leading to faster deliveries and better product availability, but consumers might not know that AI is behind these improvements.
So what advice would you give to someone who's worried about their job being taken over by an AI agent?
The key is to focus on developing skills that AI can't easily replicate. Things like emotional intelligence, creative problem solving, and strategic thinking will become even more valuable. Also, consider how you might work alongside AI rather than competing with it. Learning to effectively manage and collaborate with AI systems could become a highly sought-after skill set. And remember, adaptability is going to be crucial in this AI-driven future.
That's great advice. It's exciting and a little scary to think about how much might change by 2025. Any final thoughts on what our listeners should keep in mind?
Well, I think the most important thing is to stay curious and open-minded. This technology is evolving rapidly, and the key to success will be embracing change rather than resisting it. Whether you're excited about the possibilities of AI agents or a bit apprehensive, it's clear they're going to play a big role in shaping our future. The companies and individuals who can adapt and find innovative ways to work with AI are likely to thrive in this new landscape.
Well said. It's certainly going to be an interesting ride. And to our listeners out there, we'd love to hear your thoughts on this topic.
Absolutely. Your perspectives are valuable and they help shape our discussions here on Tech with Travis. Don't forget to reach out to us on social media or through our website to share your thoughts. And remember, while AI agents might be able to process information faster than us, they can't replace the unique insights and experiences that each of you brings to the table.
That's a great point. It's easy to get caught up in the technology, but at the end of the day, it's still humans driving innovation and making the big decisions.
Exactly. As we wrap up, I think it's important to emphasize that the future isn't set in stone. The way AI agents develop and are integrated into our lives and workplaces will depend on the choices we make as a society. It's up to us to shape this technology in a way that benefits everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Tech with Travis, where we explore the tech trends shaping our world. Until next time, keep innovating and stay curious.
And remember, the future is what we make it. Let's make it a good one.
I agree. Have a great day, everyone.